Welcome to Rowan-Cabarrus Community College. Today, we will review how to log into Navigate, a web-based tool that is designed to help you with getting started and staying on track. Navigate is accessible online anytime from any internet-connected computer or mobile device. To ensure the best user experience, Rowan-Cabarrus recommends using the latest version of the Google Chrome browser to access the college's webpage and the Navigate tool. Once you access the college's webpage by typing www.rccc.edu into your web browser, you will see the Quick Links menu in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the arrow next to Quick Links, and a drop-down menu will appear listing all of your student accounts. Select Navigate. From here, click Log in with your school account. Now, type in your Rowan-Cabarrus Community College username and password. Once you've done this, click Login again. If this is your first time accessing Navigate, be sure to review and accept the terms and conditions. You're all set. Check out our other videos to learn more about important features available in Navigate, such as scheduling an appointment with your assigned advisor and the Career Exploration tool.